says, here is information about the cost of...
Oh, say that again, sorry.
Question 9. It says, here is information about the cost of sending a parcel to Europe by Parcel Link. And it says, Kate is going to send a parcel to Europe by Parcel Link, and the parcel weighs 12 kgs. Kate can send the parcel using next day delivery or using 3-day delivery. Work out the difference in the two costs. So it says she's going to send a parcel, and the parcel weighs 12 kgs, and that's important because depending on how much it weighs, it's how much it costs. So for next day delivery, it's £19 plus 70p for each kg more than £5. Right, okay. So if you had a 5 kg, a 5 kg parcel, you would have to pay £19, and it's 12 kgs, so that's more than 5 kg. So it says for each kg that's more than 5, you have to pay 70p extra. So there's 12 kgs the parcel weighs, and 5 kgs you can get £19, but the parcel weighs 7 kgs more than 5, because 5 and 7 is 12. So you need to do 7 times 70p, and then you need to add that into £19. So 70p times 7, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 7 is 49. So that's £4.90. So you have to add £4.90 to £19, because that's how much extra she has to pay because it's more than 5 kg. So that's 0, 0, 0, 0 and 9 is 0. Wait, what? Sorry. It's 9. 9 add 4 is 13. So you put the 3, carry over 1, and then 1 and 1 is 2. So if you did next day, that would be £23.90. Now let's look at how much she would have to pay if it was 3-day. So for 3-day delivery, it says you have to pay £16 plus 50p for each kg more than 5 kilograms. So it's the same as before, well, almost. So for 5 kgs, she would pay £16 plus 50p for each kg more than 5 grams. So she's actually saving quite a lot here, because for next day she would pay 70p for each kg more than 5 grams plus £3 extra. So parcel weighs 12 kilograms, and again 5 kilograms is for £16, and the parcel is 7 kilograms heavier. So you this time do 50 times 7, and then you would add that to £16. So 50 times 7 is actually nearly the same as 5 times 7, except you just times your answer by 10. So 5 times 7 is 35. And you need to times it by 10 because it was 50, not 5. So then you're going to add another 0 there, and that's 350 pence. But then that becomes £3.50. So you add that. 0 add 0 is 0, 0 add 5 is 5, 6 add 3 is 9, and 1 add nothing is 1. So that's £19.50. So she saved a lot, and the question is actually asking us how much she saved, because it's asking about the difference in the two costs. And difference basically means subtract. So you're going to subtract the the small number from the large number. So £23.90, and you're minusing £19.50. So that's 0, 4. You can't do 3 minus 9, so you borrow 1. That's 4, and that's 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is £4.40. Okay, B. Adam sends a parcel to Europe by Parcel Link. He uses 3-day delivery. The cost is £25, and you have to work out how many kilograms Adam's parcel weighs. So he uses 3-day delivery. So we don't really need to look at next day delivery right now because it's not very important. So it says the cost is £25, and here it says for 5 kilograms it would be £16. So we know that it's going to be more than 5 kilograms because it's more than £16, which you would pay for normal 3-day delivery if you only had 5 kilograms. So we need to work out how much in money that you paid extra. So that Adam paid extra. So £16 and £25. You have to work out the difference. Should I write it down? So £25.
Or if you don't need to, you can just write the answer. It's up to you if you've already worked it out. Which do you prefer?
I'll just do it.
Okay.
So £25, and you're minusing £16 because you need to work out how much difference there was in money first. And the answer is £9. So now £9, you need to work out how many kilograms you would pay, how many kilograms extra. It is 5 kilograms. So it says for 1 extra kilogram you would pay 50p. So you need to work out how many kilograms you would have if you paid £9. So if we first make the 50p into £1, you times it by 2. So for 2 kilograms you pay £1. Therefore, when you times £1 by 9, you have to times £2 by 9 as well. Okay, wait. 50p is 1 kilogram, and £1 is 2 kilograms. So to get from £1 to £9, you need to times it by 9, but you have to do the same to the other side of the equation to keep it equal. So 2 times 9, that's 18. So that means there was 18 kilograms extra. Okay, so for the extra £9 that he paid, that equals 18 kilograms. But that was how much extra he paid. So it's 5 kg, which was for the £16, add the 18 kg, and that's 23 kg, because that's a bit simple, so you don't need to work it out. So that's 23 kg.
Well done.